So you're having trouble getting your fuel gauge to work on your spree? Well, it might work, but you might have the fuel sending unit installed wrong. It's easy to do. This is the proper position of the plate that holds down the fuel sending unit, and you can tell that by the arrow that's rigidly scratched into here into the fuel tank itself, and then there's an arrow imprinted on that collar that tightens up. But what you got to make sure you have underneath as well, I'll loosen this up. You got to make sure that this tab here on the top of your fuel sending unit is lined up with the arrow as well. That could be rotated almost anywhere, and then this will still tighten up and you'll be able to line the arrows. But if this piece here isn't on that lower, there's a lower tab there, you can just barely see it in black. It'll fit right there. That's where it needs to go. If it's in a different position, your fuel gauge will not indicate fuel properly. So put that in the right place, that tab, and then to tighten it, move your collar so this arrow is way over here, like the 10 o'clock position, and then tighten it back so that you can line it up arrow to arrow. And that's it. Now your sending unit's going to work. And I found that most of these old beat up 30-year-old sending units, they still work. They're just not put into the tank right. I hope this helped you. Please subscribe and like the video and leave a comment. Have a great day.